So common logarithms of numbers. Example, I get this number 238.2. I get this number now. Now I want to find the logarithm of this number. So if I want to find the log of this number, we be done explain for our previous class, say log of any number or common logarithm of any number like this get two parts. Abi, get integral and decimal parts. And the integral part we call them characteristic part, and the decimal part we call them mantissa. Abi, if you remember. Now, for this one now, the logarithm of this one now 2.3770. For our previous class, we also say we dey use the help of four-figure table to check them out. We dey check them out for four-figure table. Now, like we dey talk, we say the log of 238.2 is equal to this. Abi, now wetin we talk now. So now, this part na the integral part. These two na the integral part, what we call the characteristics. Abi, characteristics. Now wow. Now so this word plenty pass. And then this one we call this one na the decimal part, what we call mantissa. Now wetin we call am? Mantissa. Now, how we take find get this answer, get the log of this answer? First, wetin we do be say we first find the characteristics. So to find the logarithm of a number, we will first find this one, this integral part, which is the characteristics. And then to find this one, we go express this number in standard form. When we don't express this number in standard form, then the power of our 10 na im go form these characteristics, or na im be these characteristics. Then the other part, that is this part, we go look for am for four-figure table. So if we express this number in standard form, now as this number dey, if we want to express this number in standard form, I will get am as 2.838, abi 2 times 10 raised to power 2. Because now how many times I move this decimal point with that? I move am 1, 2, 2. So this power of this 10 now it form this our characteristics part or integral part of our logarithm. And then this part we will check them out for four-figure table. Now, if you never see four-figure table before, I will show you the replica or the format of four-figure table. Or if you don't see it before but you know sabi read them, then we will learn how to read the answer for four-figure table. Before four-figure table, na so e be. So this one na table A, logarithm of number. So on top of the table, you must see logarithm of number. And then for the logarithm of number, you will see table when they draw like this. The table get rows like this, and then get columns like this. Abi? And then if you look well, the table they divide am into, I don't know, into sections based on the column and the rows. So you get the part where you go see difference inside, and then for this part you go just see numbers on top the first row. So this section they divide this row into 2, so we get difference. But this one, for this first row, na numbers we get. So for here we go see, for this first column we go see x, abi x, first column, first row, abi we see x for first row and first column. And then for the second column, still on the first row, we go see 0. If you get a four-figure table, it go help you. So we go see 0. Then we go see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 is the last number. Abi? So the number progresses in sequence like this, come reach 9. Abi, you stop for there. Then for the second column, you go see 10. Now 10 now you go find. Then for the, I'll say for the second column. For the second row, you go see 10 for the first column. And then for the second row, still on the second column, you can see the 4 figures. Now here, now this place, I make the column 4 figure table. You will begin to see numbers of 4 figures. So the first one we will see na 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 places. And then for the third column, we will see 0, 0, 4, 3. And then we will see 0, 0, 8, 6. And then we will see 0, 1, 2, 8. And then you will continue like that until the 9th place. And then here, we will see 11. Then for the next column, we will see 0, 4, 1, 4. Then we will see 0, 4, 5, 3. Then we will see 0, 4, 9, 2. Then 0, 5, 3, 1. And then we will continue like that. I hope your own 4-figure table dey like this. If you no dey like this, you dey for the wrong page. Look up. You will see logarithm of numbers. Na so e suppose dey. If you no dey see something like this, that means look up. You either dey for anti-log, or you dey for sign of numbers, or you dey another page be that. You dey look for another table. Abi? Now, for this column, you go like this from 10 to 99. Now 99 you reach. Abi? Now 99, this one reach. The numbers wey dey here follow like this, reach 99. And then from there, all these ones, they come arrange themselves like this. Now, the difference also dey like this, but the difference na integers dey for the table. First, we get the first row for the different section. We get the first row for the different section. Now, 1, 2, 3, reach 9. And then under these numbers, we get integers. This one are 4, this one are 8, this one are 12. And then you go continue like that. You go just see integers. Different integers. This one are 10, this one are 7, this one are 3. So now so it be for this different section. Abi? So now 4-figure table be that. So we'll use this one, find the mantissa part of our logarithm of numbers. Now, see the number here. The number na 3, 2, okay, the number na 2, 3, 8.2 like this. So we won't find the logarithm of this number. So we'll say log of Abi 2, 3, 8.2. Then we'll express in standard form like this. So in standard form, we'll get 2.382 times 10 raised to the power 2. Now what we get? Abi? So what happen now? What happen is say for this log now we don't get the integral part. So we'll take our characteristics part as 2 points like this. Abi? Then we will find the rest of this part. So how we take find the rest of this part? We'll go to 4-figure table. Because our 4-figure table is not complete, we will use the real 4-figure table. And the way what we go do and be say, we'll take these two numbers first, then before we check for this number 23 first, then we check for this one and check for this one. Now we'll see how it dey happen. Now this one is my 4-figure table. See my own 4-figure table for here, Abi? First, 23 now I go check. So I go come for this X column. This X column where they here. Now I go look for 23. See where my 23 dey, Abi? So see my 23 for here, Abi? Then on top, I see numbers like this, Abi? So I go come check for this 8. This 8 now for here e dey, Abi? So I go run my finger from this 23 until I stop for 8. So see my 8 here. So the number what I see from row 23 to column 8 for here, I get 3766. Na wetin I get. So I go write am somewhere 3766. But my number never finish. Abi? My original number never finish. First, I take these two numbers. Abi? I look for these two numbers under X. Then I find the row of these two numbers, 23. Abi? And then I check the number under column 8. Then I get this number. Then this number now will go for the difference section. Now the difference section what I did not explain be this. So when I see the difference on top bar, so the difference what I look for now 2. So under 2 bar, so I go still run down until I reach 23. Now my 23 be this, abi? So my 23 I go work out like this until I come for under 2. Under 2 now 4 now I get, abi? E dey like this under 4. Then I go just add am to this to my number what I don't find. So I go just add this 4 to this number. So if I take 3766, come add 4 inside like this. If I come add 4 inside like this, then I go say 4 plus this one, I go get 10, ba? 4 plus 6 na 10. I go write 0, carry 1. Abi? That one I go add am to this 6. I will get 7. I will get 7. I will get 3. So now my this thing be this one now. This one now it be my mantissa part of this logarithm. So I can write am for here. 3. So now we dey look for common logarithms of numbers. I hope this one clear.